a Milimani Law Court has acquitted Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino in a case where he was charged for the shooting of Felix Orinda, popularly known as DJ Evolve. Senior Principal Magistrate Bernard Ochoi, while giving his judgment, said that the victim absolved the Member of Parliament from that fateful night shooting incident, saying that he could not ascertain whether the shot was from the MP's firearm, as the place was dark.
It was a sigh of relief to the Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino after Milimani Law Court set him free in a case where he was charged in relation to the shooting of Felix Orinda, also known as DJ Evolve. On March 2023, during the hearing of the case at the same court, the Senior Principal Magistrate Bernard Ochoi said the legislature had a case to answer where he was charged with 2 counts, attempted murder and misuse of firearm. While acquitting him, Senior Principal Magistrate Bernard Ochoi said he had extensively analyzed the evidence brought before the court by the defense and prosecution and released Babu under Section 215 of the Constitution on grounds that the victim denied quarreling with the accused during the fateful night, and though he was shot, could not ascertain it was from which firearm as the place was dark.
For the above stated reasons, the accused is found not guilty and is acquitted under Section 215 CPC. And in conclusion, the court notes that this is a case of great public interest that may have gone wrong during investigations, and perhaps the DCI should consider such cases being investigated in the future by senior experienced officers, at least in the rank of inspector, police and above. So that is the judgment of the court.
Your Honor, will also equally make a request that you make an order that the passport that was deposited that belongs to the accused person be released to him forthwith. It has really been hard for him to represent his people because sometimes it requires benchmarking.
The elected legislator walked out of the court, held brief prayers, and said despite being acquitted of any wrongdoing, he will only consider himself victorious the time DJ Evolve, who is bedridden, will be able to stand and walk with him.
I want to assure DJ Evolve and members of the public that I will walk by DJ Evolve's side. I will always be there for him. And in fact, I'm planning to take him to India for further treatment.
The shooting incident occurred at a Nairobi nightclub in January the year 2020. Elsewhere, a Migori court has sentenced a police officer, Howard Omoha, aged 37, to 15 years in prison for defilement. The accused was found guilty of sexually assaulting a 16-year-old girl while he was stationed at the Rapogi police post in Uriri sub-county in the year 2001. He was given 14 days to appeal the judgment. Michael Mandiga for Prime Edition.